Hey everybody, what's going on? We've got another product review today, the P1 tire inflator from INNOVV. Coming up next. That is right, we've got the P1 tire inflator, and the team over at INNOVV sent this over to me to review. I have had some other inflators in the past you've seen, small portable ones. Not all of them have lived up to what I think they should be, but I have seen this name before. I have seen some other reviews of this product, and I'm pretty excited to try it out. Open the box, again, awesome packaging. I've kind of gotten into a packaging kick. Everything is nice, it doesn't just come in a bag, so that's nice. Protected in foam. Again, similar to the Apple or Samsung products in terms of packaging. Everything fits nicely together. There is a little box of accessories in here and a carry bag, so you can put everything in your bag and set that in your glove box or your cargo area of your vehicle, so it is there at all times. Inside our little package here, we have if I can get it out, a little baggie for additional fittings for Schrader valves for bicycles, basketball inflators, other inflatable toys, so you can keep that in your bag as well. Kids have activities, bike tires are flat, whatever. This does have the adapter to screw in to the inflator. Pretty easy. Let me wander up here. So we've got our basic tire inflator here. You can focus on the valve and not me. There we go. Attach it on your valve stem, lock it down. I'm sure you're familiar with that. There are a couple of different features on here. Once it's turned on, there's a big power button in the middle. Pretty easy to get power on. There is a light feature as well, so if you need some extra light for working roadside in the dark, SOS light or flashing red. So a couple of options there. I did go ahead and charge this before filming this review, so it was fully charged. But you do have, like I mentioned, a couple of different options for PSI, for bar, for your different pressures, and then you're able to manually select the pressure you're looking for. So we'll go down to probably 40 PSI to run up to the garage to the wife's Outback here in a minute. In addition to being an inflator or trouble light, it does have a output for standard USB or USB-C, so you can also use this as a charge pack. It is a, I believe, 5,000 milliamp pack. So again, if you get in an emergency, you've got extra power for your mobile device. Pretty good deal. So the package itself, the device itself, you take it off this little fitting for the inflator. Nice and compact, it's light. Feels pretty well built. It is in a plastic case, but it does not feel cheap. It's pretty sturdy. So we're going to go ahead up to the garage, like I said, and check out the wife's tires because I know they're going to need some air. This should fill up standard tire just about a minute or two from flat. We've got probably 5 to 8 pounds missing out of at least one tire on the Outback, so this should fill up pretty quickly, but we'll run up there and give this thing a try. Alrighty, well, we're here with the wife's Outback, and typically the front passenger tire is okay. It's the other three that are often problematic. I think there's a slow bead leak, but that's a topic for another day. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead. We've got our P1 turned on. We're gonna set it to 40 pounds PSI. Let's go ahead and hook it up to the valve stem. Clip it on, and we're reading 33 now. So I'm just going to go ahead and pump it up to 40. Alrighty, we've got our 40 pounds there. I'll throw a little timer below so you see how long that took, but I'm going to go ahead and do the other three tires. give this thing a duty cycle and see how it stands up to 4 tires in rapid succession. Well, it looks as if we've hit a thermal shutdown, the timer looks like. So, in a worst case scenario, doing all 4 tires, maybe you're, rescuing an abandoned vehicle or something like that, you may run into an overheating issue, and that's what I wanted to see. Does this thing have the intelligence to say, hey, I'm too hot, I'm going to shut down before I grenade myself, as I've run into with some other devices in the past. So, awesome to see this. We'll let the timer run down here and see where our PSI left off at. So I think that's a worst case scenario. Airing up 4 low tires, maybe you're rescuing an old car that's been sitting for a long time, an old marketplace buy, something where all the tires are low. I wouldn't expect this to fill up, 4 flat pickup tires or RV tires by any means, but your daily drivers, getting you from point A to point B, if you've got a low tire until you can get to the tire place, this is definitely going to get you where you need to be. And again, like I said, we filled up all 4 tires. We ran into the duty cycle limit with that thermal protector. That's what I was looking for, and that is awesome to see on a device like this. It's small, it's compact, and it's also smart. It's not going to burn itself out. So pretty good deal right there. I'm going to go check out, make sure the BMW tires are good to go, and then I'll wrap this down to the shop and finish it up. Alrighty, well there it is, the review for the INNOVV P1 tire inflator. I'm going to keep this in the wife's Outback until we get that weeping tire problem fixed, which probably means just me having more spare time, which I have none of. So this is going to come in very handy. Again, if you like these product reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. They come out on Tuesdays when we have them available. Otherwise, our regular content on Saturday mornings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.